Hello, Esther here. Today I will introduce our popular laser type turbidity analyzer. The model number is TUR6100, and according to different measurement range, we have two models for selection. The first one is TUR6101. The range is 0 to 5 NTU. And the other model is TUR6102. The range is 0 to 100 NTU. Now let's look at the appearance. The black one is very cool, right? And the upper one is the light source and the communication part. This is the RS485 Modbus, which can send the signal to the PLC directly. For the bottom one, this is the measurement room with a unique deforming device, so the measurement is very accurate. This is a IP65 protection level. And with a wall-mounted installation method, it's very easy for site work. Here this is the inlet port, and here this is the outlet port and discharge port. To make sure the accurate measurement, the suggested flow rate is from 250 milliliter per minute to 750 milliliter per minute. So make sure and pay attention to the flow rate. For this unit, it is widely used for the water plant, also the our water and the US water and such etc. So, and this one, as I told you, it has the RS485. It can connect with the PLC directly. Also, if you want to the local display, you can connect with our IoT instrument, MFC8800, or the multi-channels controller, the MFC1382. So, if you want to learn more information about it, so you can contact with us. Thank you.